So this is the sweetwood tree, and as you can see, the sweetwood tree is blossoming now. It's a very light wood, and has a very nice flavor, so that it is a favorite for people who jerk, particularly jerk pork. When you jerk pork with sweetwood, it gives the pork a nice flavor. So persons who jerk tend to like to use sweetwood in the
I
fire.
notice it smells fragrant. I mean, it has a very beautiful smell. Is that why they call it Sweetwood?
I'm not sure,
Must.
but I just know that's what they call it, sweetwood.
I really like the smell. I mean, I'm sure this could be used as perfume. I think we need to do some research, eh?